Okay, so student question number 3. In figure, angle PQR is equal to 100 degree given, okay, where PQR lie on the circle, okay, on a circle, okay, with center O. So this is your center. They have said find angle OPR. OPR means you have to find out this angle, okay. Now see here how you will find out this angle. First thing, this is what? Center. So this is your radius. And what is this one? This is also radius, right? So if this is radius, these two sides of this triangle will be same, right? So this will be what? Isosceles triangle. In isosceles triangle we know two angles are same. This angle and this angle will be same. Now see here. This, if it is 100, you can see this point, this point, this point, okay. So these 3 points lie on the circle, right? So see carefully. This is your center. Now if I put one point, any point on this circle, anywhere, okay, if I put it, and suppose I draw a line here, join this and this, what you will get? You can see this is a cyclic quadrilateral. Now what is the purpose of drawing this point? The reason is, you know, at the center the angle is, if I know this angle, I can easily find out this two angle, right? Because I know sum of all this angle is 180 degree. If I take this one as x, this one as x, and if I know this, easily I can find out or not. X plus this angle is equal to 180 degree. From there I can easily find out x, right? One unknown variable we can always find out with one equation. So if I know this middle angle, this angle, then easily I can find out the value of this angle. I have to find this. Now see, they have given this angle. How I will use this? Now take any point on the circle, okay. If I take here any point, then you know that this is a cyclic quadrilateral, right? So this plus this will be how much? 180 degree it should be, right? Supplementary. So if this is 100, this will be how much? 80 degree, right? So if this is 80, this will be how much? You can see this is angle on the center made from this point to this point, and this is angle on circle made from the same point, right? So this angle will be double of this one. So this will be how much? 160. Okay, so let me write down with this. This will be 160 degree. Is it clear? So here the important step is this point. 3 points are given and they have given this angle. So if you draw any point and join this one, you will form a cyclic quadrilateral, right? So we know that sum of this pair of opposite angle will be how much? 180 degrees. So this is 100, this will be 80, and we know that this angle on center drawn from this 2 point is always double the angle on the circle. So this will be double of this one. So this will be 160. Okay, so if this is 160, you can easily find out this two angle what it will be, right? So it will be in triangle POR. I'm writing from here only, okay. Notes I have already given, you can follow them. So x plus x, this plus this plus this, that is 160 is equal to 180 degrees. So from here 2x is equal to, you bring this one this side, this will be how much? 20. So which implies x equal to how much? To bring this side 10. So x will be 10. So this also will be 10. Okay. So total is 180. 160 plus 10, 70, 80. Okay. So 10, 10 it will be. So this will be your answer. Now next, number 4. Another very simple question. This kind of question we have already done in class 8 also. Okay. So exactly same question I think you have done in class 8 also, exactly same. Okay, so in this question what they have said, in figure angle ABC means this angle is how much? 69 degree. ACB equal to 31 degree. So you can see in this triangle they have given this angle also, this angle. So you can easily find out what is this angle, right? Because sum of all angle is equal to 180 degrees. So one unknown value you can easily find out with one equation. So this, if you take it as x, okay, so x plus 69 plus 31, it will be 180 degrees. From here you can easily find out what is x, 31 minus 69. So if you solve this one, you will get this angle. Okay, so in question they have asked you to find angle BDC. BDC. Now this angle, how you'll find out? Now you can see this is one segment, right? In this segment we know that angle on the same segments are always equal, so this will be equal to this one. So using that property, this also we can easily find out. Okay, so first thing you have to find out, using this equation angle sum property, you have to find out this angle. Okay, once you know this, you know using property this and this will be equal. Angle on the same segment is always equal. Okay, so this chord makes this segment one segment, this is another segment. On this segment, whatever number of angle you will make, always it will be same. We have done that property in class 8 also. Okay, so you just need to solve this one. So it will be how much? 80 degree. Okay, so this will be your answer. So this angle will be 80 degree, so this also will be 80 degree. Just you have to mention that angle on same segments are always equal, so therefore BDC, angle BDC is equal to 80 degree. Okay, so notes I have already given to you. Next, number 5. In figure, okay, another very simple question. See here, in figure A, B, C, D are 4 points. Okay, on a circle, AC and BD intersect at point E. AC and BD intersect at point E such that BEC, that is this angle, is equal to 130 they have given. Okay, angle ECD means this angle is 20 degree. Now they have asked you to find out angle BAC, means this you have to find out, BAC. Okay, now you can see this is a chord, and you can see this is angle on the circle made from same chord. Okay, so on the same segment angles are always equal. This is equal to this one. So if you can find out this one, you can easily say what is this angle. This and this will be same only, right? Now see why I said if you find this one, this you can easily find out, because in this triangle you see carefully, this angle you already know. If you know this angle, can you find out this one? Yes. So I just have to find out this one. Now see, this also you can easily find out, linear pair, right? 130 plus this one must be how much? It's a straight line, it should be 180 degrees. So if this is 130, this will be how much? 50 degree. Then only it will be 180 degree, right? So if this is 50, this 50, this 20, 70. So this will be how much? Sum of all this must be 180 degree, right? So 50 plus 20, 70. So this will be how much? 110 degree. Very simple. If this is 110, this will be how much? Same, 110 degree. Using that same property, angle on the same segments are always equal. Okay, so here this and this information is given. Can you see how I have used this information? Using this I have find out this one, then using this too I have find out this one. Very simple question. This properties you have done many time in class 8 also. So you just need to practice little bit more now, and you can be perfect in all this question, in this kind of questions. Okay.